Show.
So, as my guy, you know what I go do? Out of that 30 million naira, with my money now. You know, say you my guy, my sure guy. I will give you 1 million naira.
1 million naira.
I don't say you like her, my guy.
Wait, you mean say out of 30 million naira? If you talk that rubbish now, I go scatter this place. I go scatter this thing now.
Wait, what's the problem now? It's not my money, my money. Which day? Hey! You want to fight Abi? Come here.
Yeah! Ìjàlè ló àgò.
Ta ló lọ́dún?
Ìjàlè ló àgò.
Mo máa lọ́dún. Mo lọ́dún. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni. Mi lọ́dún jọ. What style is that?
He not gonna say you fight.
Me?
Yeah.
Smackdown! Yeah! You die today!
Stop. Why are people fighting?
Thank you. Yeah, we're just assuming, let's say police are chasing armed robber here. So the armed robber decided to throw the 30 million naira into this compound. Inside this compound, we will carry the money deep. I will share my good friend, 1 million naira, and I will have the rest. Now say he will take 50% out of the money.
How can I be here? Money that I saw koro with my eye. He will not give me, said he will give me only 1 million naira out of 30 million. It's not possible. We will fight.
Is he your armed robber? Is he your police?
If I did not come to this compound, we'll things pass here.
It's not my compound. It's not my
Oh, that's why guys are fighting.
Yes!
Because of imaginary money.
Yes!
You want to fight, Abi?
Yes!
Wait.
You kill me?
Yes, I will kill.
Yeah, I will kill you.
Fight, Abi?
Yes.
Say. Oh yeah. You want to fight, Abi?
Yes.
Imaginary money now. You want to fight, Abi?
No.
Imaginary money is coming now. You want to fight?
No.
Or you must kill him. So I take everything. You want to fight, Abi? Oh yeah, fight.
But just imagine the distance.
It's going to come. It's going to come.
Let's make it.
You must fight, though.
He's like, no, we are not fighting. He's my friend.
Oh.
He's my friend. We are not fighting.